Hello students, welcome back. Hope all of you are keeping well. Students, in today's session, we'll learn about characteristics of computer like speed, accuracy, reliability, versatility, storage, diligence and multitasking. After that, we'll learn about limitations of computer like incapability to think. Computer cannot think. No intelligence. Computer has no IQ. Dependence on power. Computer fully depends on power. Without power, computer cannot work. Okay? Characteristics of a computer. A computer system is better than human beings as it possesses the following capabilities. First one is speed. Second one is accuracy. Third one is reliability. Fourth one is versatility. Fifth one is storage. Sixth one is diligence. And the seventh one is multitasking. First one is speed. Speed is the amount of time taken by the computer in completing the task. A computer works very fast and can do large number of calculations quickly as compared to a human being. Computers are classified on the basis of instructions that they execute per second. Okay. Second one is accuracy. Accuracy refers to the degree of perfection of operations performed by a computer. Computers do not commit errors and are capable of handling complex instructions accurately. If the data fed into a computer is wrong, it may produce an inaccurate result. If you fill wrong data in a computer, then of course it will give wrong result. Okay, students? Third one is reliability. Reliability refers to the quality of a computer system to perform consistently well and complete its allotted duties on time without experiencing any system failure. In case of any failure in a computer system, there is a provision for immediate backup of information and programs. Okay? Fourth one is versatility. A computer can perform a variety of tasks. Therefore, it can be used in almost all fields such as education, science and technology, business, finance, accounts, communications, etc. Fifth one is storage. Storage is the capacity of a computer to store data. A computer can store large amount of data which can be used anytime. You can store data into a computer through various external and internal devices such as hard disks, CDs, DVDs, pen drive, RAM, ROM. Here RAM stands for random access memory and ROM stands for read-only memory. Okay? A hard disk can store the maximum amount of data among these devices. The maximum amount of data that can be stored depends on the device chosen by the user. Okay, students? Then diligence. Computers are non-respondent to human factors like fatigue, tiredness or boredom. It can work repeatedly and efficiently for long hours without taking rest. Computer is a machine, so it can work for a long time. Then multitasking. A computer can do many tasks at the same time. For instance, one can enjoy listening to music while typing in MS Word or while working on any other package. Okay, students? Now, what are the limitations of computer? Computer is a machine, so it has some limits. Limitations of computer. First one is incapability to think. Computer cannot think. Second one is no intelligence. Computer has no IQ. Then third one is dependence on power. First one is incapability to think. A computer cannot think and take decision on its own. In case of any error, it cannot take an alternative action. Then no intelligence. Unlike human beings, a computer has no IQ. It needs instructions at every step. Dependence on power. A computer is an electronic machine. Thus, its dependence on power makes it costly. Okay, students? So students, in this session you have learned about characteristics of computer and limitations of computer. I believe all of you have understood very well chapter 1. No? So students, now we will do exercise of chapter 1. We will start with filling the blanks. Okay? Filling the blanks I have already done for you. So first one, the first mechanical calculating device was abacus. Second, Howard Aiken invented the first automatic sequence controlled calculator Mark I. Third one, analytical engine was invented in 1833. Fourth one, the first general purpose electronic computer was ENIAC. Fifth one, Ted Wolfe introduced the first microprocessor in 1971 for Intel. Okay. Now state true or false. EDSAC was the first computer to handle both numeric and text data. It is false. UNIVAC 1 was the first computer to handle both numeric and text data. Okay. Second, Charles Babbage invented the difference engine in 1822. It is true. Third one, the first generation computers used transistors technology. It is false. The first generation computers used vacuum tubes. Okay. Fourth one, tabulating machine was invented by J. Presper Eckert. It is false. Tabulating machine was invented by Hermann Hollerith. Fifth one, George Boole designed the Boolean logic. Yes, it is true. Okay. Third one is match the following. So first one, Lady Augusta Lovelace, the first programmer. You have to match with B. Okay. Then second generation computer, you have to match with D, transistors. Then third one, Blaise Pascal, you have to match with A, Pascal line. Okay. Then fourth one, third generation computers were based on integrated circuits. So you have to match with C. Okay, students. Fourth one is application based questions. Raman is preparing for a quiz which is based on the generations of computers. He is looking for the input device used in the third generation. Can you provide him the answer? So answer is keyboard. Second, Ruby is preparing a presentation on the main technology used by the different generations of computers. She has forgotten the main technology used in the second generation of computers. Suggest her the right answer. So answer is transistors. Okay. Fifth one is multiple choice questions. First, dash generation computers are based on artificial intelligence, and options are A 4, B 5th, C 2nd. So answer is B 5th. Then second one, name the first machine that uses the interchangeable punched cards to obtain the design pattern on the clothes. Your options are A, Jacquard's loom, B, difference engine, C, tabulating. So answer is A, Jacquard's loom. Okay. Third one is dash refers to the degree of perfection of operations performed by a computer. Your options are A, accuracy, B, speed, C, robustness. So your answer is A, accuracy. Okay. Fourth one is dash languages was used in the first generation of computers. And your options are A, COBOL, B, machine, C, Fortran. So your answer is B, machine. Okay, students. Now answer the following. First question is, write any two characteristics of computer. So answer is, two characteristics of computer are: one, speed. Speed is the amount of time taken by the computer in completing the task. Second one is accuracy. Accuracy refers to the degree of perfection of operations performed by a computer. Okay. Second question is, state the difference between second generation and third generation computers. So answer is, the second generation computers were based on transistors, whereas third generation computers were based on integrated circuits. In second generation computers, punched cards were used as an input device, whereas in third generation computers, keyboard was used as an input device. Question number 3. Write a short note on the device abacus. So answer is abacus was the first mechanical device for calculations developed in China. It was made up of a wooden frame with rods each having beads. The frame is divided into two parts, heaven and earth. Question number 4. Mention any two limitations of computer. So answer is two limitations of computer are: first, incapability to think. A computer cannot think and take decisions on its own. Okay. Second one is no intelligence. Unlike human beings, a computer has no IQ. Okay, students. So students, you have to write this exercise in your note copy and learn it by heart.